So the biggest trends I think in remote work, I would say there's two. One is something that we really, when we started Regents, was one of our focuses was hiring for quality over price. I feel like in the beginning when we were doing that, we were a huge outlier. Everybody was price, price, price. I want to spend 5 cents an hour. I'll go to Antarctica to find people as long as they're cheaper. And I feel like people are getting away from that a little bit and are moving more to the model that Regents does and what I did with my firm, which was hiring remotely gave me an opportunity to hire people who were overqualified for positions. In other words, I could hire people that I could never afford to hire in the United States for certain roles. So, for instance, when we go to Mexico, I want to hire like a lawyer to do legal assistant duties. I could never hire a lawyer in the United States, but because of currency and advantages there, I can go to Mexico and I can hire somebody like that. So you hire people who are overqualified. I feel like that's definitely a trend. The other thing is I'm finding more people are more interested in the overall wellness and health of their remote workers. And I think some people have figured that out intuitively because they're humane people and they want to treat remote workers like human beings, as we should. I think other people have stumbled into it. And what I mean by that is integration of culture is such an important factor in having a successful remote crew that when you integrate them into your culture, it's natural. You're going to start treating them like human beings because they're part of your culture. And so I think over time, if you came from a humane way, or if you came from a business point of view, you ended up in the same spot, which is treating remote workers like humans. And I think nothing could be truer of the fact, and at Regents, that's been our guiding light from the beginning.